In this video, I will be showing you how to install ChatGPT for Google Sheets. Let's get started. I start on my desktop screen and navigate down to the taskbar. I click on the search bar, type in Excel, and click on the Excel app to open it up. As it loads up, I select a blank workbook to start a fresh project. Once my spreadsheet is open, I look over at the right side of the top ribbon menu. I locate and click on the Add-ins button. A panel opens up showing my add-ins along with popular options. Under the popular add-ins list, I look for GPT for Excel Word and click the Add button next to it. It takes a moment to load, and then a dedicated sidebar panel titled GPT for Excel Word appears on the right side of the screen. Inside this sidebar, I see a list of tools like Agent, Bulk Tools, and GPT functions. I can scroll through different examples and prompts, such as asking for a formula, translating a column, or writing a review. Under the Agent tab, I click inside the prompt text box where it asks to type a prompt. I want to generate a specific formula, so I begin typing my request. I type out, "Give me the new Excel formula only." If cell A2 contains completed, return done, otherwise, return pending, do not explain the formula. I review the prompt to ensure it is accurate and then click the send arrow icon next to the text box. The tool begins processing, displaying a message that it's planning the next moves. Within a few seconds, it generates the exact Excel formula I requested in a dark text box inside the panel. Below the formula, there are options to copy it or insert it directly. I hover my mouse over the Insert in Selected Cell button and click it. Instantly, the formula is inserted into my active cell on the spreadsheet. The cell now reads pending because cell A2 is currently empty. The integration is complete, and the formula is now actively working inside my spreadsheet using the power of ChatGPT. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.